Hey guys, it's Art Weston again. I thought I'd have some fun, go with the big boys in this test. So this is Seaguar's Threadlock hollow core braid in 80 pounds. One of my favorite all-time braided lines. Unfortunately, they have discontinued the green color, which for South America, river fishing is my preferred color. You can still get it in blue and white. So I think white would probably be the way to go unless you're fishing in the ocean. So this is a special line. It's got 16 strands, which makes it hollow. There's a mechanism, it's a needle that you use that can allow you to basically turn this over on itself and create a loop whereby it would embed the line into itself. What's important about that is that can provide you with a loop to do a wind-on leader, because on the other end of this you can insert monofilament or fluorocarbon to make a wind-on leader. That's kind of how they make them with this kind of hollow line. The other thing that's really important about it is the loop can then act as a way to connect to your lure or hook without tying a knot. So you just put the loop through the eye of the hook or the lure and then back around its body, and then it, almost like how you tie a polymer knot, and it just cinches down on the hook or lure and makes a solid connection. You can then take the lure off again. It takes a little bit of finger dexterity to kind of undo how it connects, but it can be undone and you can kind of exchange hooks or lures in that way. Most importantly, the reason why I like it is because that loop creates by definition, kind of a 100% connection relative to the mainline strength of this line, because there is no knot per se. It's really just an embedded double line that terminates in a loop. So you get all of the line strength out of the process. So that's really good news. So what I want to do today is show you how this line class breaks at from a mainline perspective, and then in a subsequent video I'll show you how much it degrades when you tie a traditional knot like a polymer or double polymer. So here we go. So it's already set up on the digital force gauge. I'll zero it out, get the back lid on so you can see it, and let's see how it goes. And about 10 pounds, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 106. So another case where braided line will break well above the average stated strength. As in my prior videos on the Berkeley Nanofill, it was breaking at almost twice its stated strength. This is not quite that much. Now, when I do the knots, it might break more around the 80 pound. We'll have to see. I actually haven't tested that because I typically create the loops with this type of line, but we'll see how a polymer knot does with that. But anyway, Seaguar Threadlock 80 pound breaks at 106 pounds. It can be used to create wind-on leaders or a loop to connect with your lines or hooks without the necessity of using a knot, which then allows you to have the full 106 pounds of capability on your rigs. Thanks.